everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you what all I received in my Fabbag. Now you can already see from my background that I'm filming in a new location today. It's actually on my terrace and I just thought of experimenting a little with my locations. And sorry if my voice sounds a bit throaty, I'm actually not well. I have a sore throat. So let's get right into the video. Before I show you what all I received in my Fabbag, I want to talk about this Bella Voste Ultimate Chubby Stick. This is in the shade 03 Barbie Pink and I got this as a gift from the Fabbag because I was one among the winners of the In My Fabbag contest for the month of March 2018. Now this is how the Fabbag looks like this month. It comes in this yellow colored bag and there is a lot of doodles all over. So we have all these cartoons printed on it. Now let's see what all I get inside. So the first thing which comes out of the bag is all bubble wrap. So the first product is from Tijori and it's the Night Skin Repair Elixir. So this is how it looks and I'm pretty excited to try this one. The next product is the Blossom Kocha Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion and it is SPF 30 PA+++. I think the sunscreen and the bag kind of match with each other. Next product which comes out of the bag is an eyeliner. It is from NELF USA. So it's a retractable eyeliner and it is green in color. And this is the NELF USA Velvet Touch Creamy Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 06 Pure Peach. The next product is the Rocco 2-in-1 Scrub and Mask. So this is very liquidy and gooey. It exactly smells like a mixture of honey and coffee. I really love coffee and I'm pretty excited to try this one. Last product which comes out of the bag is the Femme Detan Creme Bleach for active tan removal with orange peel. So Prachi from Superwow Style made a review on this product recently and I'm very excited to try this one after watching her review. So finally there are 3 cards inside. The first one is about the In My Fabbag contest. So I have this renewal offer of 10% off. My subscription is ending this month and I plan to renew my subscription next month. The last card tells about the prices of all the products. So this month's theme is the Project Beauty May Fabbag. The NELF USA Velvet Touch Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Pure Peach is for Rs 7.99 and it's a full-size product. The NELF USA Professional Eyeliner is a full-size product worth Rs 2.25. The Tijori Night Skin Repair Elixir is a full-size product worth Rs 9.95. Okay, so this is just 10 ml and it's worth Rs 9.95. That's pretty expensive. The Imiana House Rocco 2-in-1 Scrub and Mask is worth Rs 300 for 25 grams. The Blossom Kocha Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion SPF 30 is worth Rs 75 for 20 ml. The Femme Detan Orange Peel Cream Bleach is worth Rs 40 and it's again a full-size product. So the total price of all the products is Rs 2,434 and you can get the Fabbag for Rs 5.99. If you make a longer subscription then you can get even more discounts and I think this month's Fabbag is actually worth a try. So if you want to subscribe to the Fabbag then I shall leave the link in the bottom description bar. I hope this video was helpful for you in case you want to subscribe to the Fabbag. If it was, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. It is going to mean the whole world to me. And once you're subscribed, also click on the bell button so that you are notified of all my future videos. Also follow my blog and social media for more such reviews. And I shall see you next time. Until then, bye. यार ये लोकेशन सही में बड़ा गंदा है. कभी एरोप्लेन जाता है, कब क्या होता है. इट हैज़ सो मच ऑफ नॉइज.